you want to taste it?
It's like someone shut in your mouth. It tastes like egg.
Exactly.
Sulfur, because eggs remind people of farts. Yo, 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 welcome to the house. I got a special guest today. What's your name?
My name is...
My name is Tomaso Mano. I am a vegan chef. Tomaso's in the house. He's just getting all excited about camera gear. And we're going to be making pasta. Basically, we're going to use semolina, some water, and we're going to use the old KitchenAid rigatona. He's going to do a vegan carbonara, and I'm going to do a normal carbonara because you're vegan.
Yes, and we're going to also make a tomato sauce.
He's worked in Michelin-style restaurants. He's worked with the best chef in the world. What's his name?
David Munoz.
David Munoz.
So the recipe is very, very simple. 400 semolina flour and 200 of water.
Close your eyes and say when.
Now.
340.
You start slow and then you increase steadily.
Look at that, mate.
Let's go.
Should we go show the camera? Can we see this?
You work it like a normal pasta dough, exactly
like this?
Yeah.
So all I'm using here is the heel of my hand, this part here. I push out, and then as it comes back, I tuck and fold, and then I rotate, tuck, fold, rotate, tuck, fold, rotate. Just give it some.
I could have not said it better.
Thanks, mate. Feels a little bit gritty. Is it meant to feel gritty?
Yeah.
That's the wrong semolina, isn't it? We'll see what happens. Yeah, so cooking is a thing about textures and sounds, isn't it?
It is, absolutely.
I hope my mum isn't watching. Just fold it over like that. You have to do you have to slap it.
Always.
Right, leave that to rest.
Yeah, I'd say even 15-20 minutes.
Be back in 15-20 minutes. Should we make a pasta sauce?
Let's start.
Segue. Right, I'm getting my stuff out. What were you saying? You were just talking about tomato sauce off of camera. It was so Italian that I said, stop right there, we're going to do this again. So, start again.
I'm making tomato sauce because you taste pasta with tomato sauce. So if pasta is good, even a normal simple tomato toast will elevate your pasta. So everyone's do like tomato sauce differently. Okay. The way I like to do it is with garlic. Nice,
I can do that. Oh, shit. What else do you need? Olive oil?
Lots.
Lots. It is my kind of cooking. Is that enough olive oil, chef?
Yes, but I would have put it after. So what we're doing is we're using a passata.
Oof.
And then basically confit the passata and the garlic under the oil. So that's why you need a thick layer.
Right, whoa, let's rewind. Confit.
Confit is a cooking method where you cook under the oil at a low temperature.
Cook under the oil at a low temperature. It's like poaching.
But this way you want to make it like a greasy tomato sauce.
That's greasy in English.
What did I say?
Greasy. When you said umami earlier, how do you say umami? We were going, oh yes, and mushrooms bring some umami, and he went, you mummy. I was like, who? Who's mummy?
Do you know what I mean? Like the sauce is under the oil.
Oh,
and the garlic is
I like that. Okay.
We're gonna go with some salt and a little bit of sugar to cut the acidity.
Nice. What kind of sugar do you want? Do you want soft? Do you want demerara? Do you want castor? Do you want molasses?
Give me custard.
What would your Italian nonna say about this?
She gonna use this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. Great. What else are we doing now? We're rested?
We're doing the carbonara, aren't we?
Carbonara? Right, so mine's pretty simple. So this is, some Nduja, some spicy, sorry mate. I'm just going to stick this on the heat with a little bit of oil.
What I'm doing for my carbonara, I will start boiling some cashew nuts.
I'm going 2 egg yolks. I'm going to go heavy on the black pepper. I should have used a bigger bowl. This is the world's smallest bowl. This is some pecorino romano DOP from Ocado, 5% strength apparently.
Do you know why it's called pecorino?
No.
Because it's made from sheep. So pecora means sheep, pecorino gives the name sheep cheese.
There's a bit of shit knowledge. Everyone needs a bit of shit knowledge. So look mate, my sauce is ready, I'm done. I reckon this is why vegans are always quite skinny, because they have to fucking wait forever for anything to happen. My sauce is ready.
Do you think I'm skinny?
Mate, look at you. Tomato does actually do MMA, so I'm actually being a bit quiet.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai, fucking hell, got there in the end.
You said it all.
He could kick me in the head if I say anything too bad. So.
Now I'm creating some pieces of bacon with temp.
Might as well get a glass of wine. I'm going to be here all day, aren't I? Waiting for you. Sorry, mate. Cheers.
Cheers. Smoked paprika.
I'll get some Z roll for you.
And then some nice peanut butter.
Was that homemade?
Yeah.
You know when some people are like, oh yeah, I make stuff at home and do it all the time, and then you just put it into jars, just so it looks like they've done it themselves. That's me.
Should.
There's my Nduja. There's the cashews. I'm gonna get through that box of wine by the time you're done. We haven't even done the pasta yet.
I know. Do you want to make the pasta?
Okay, I'll do it, mate. While you're fucking about with your sauce. Hello? Hello, yeah, I need a KitchenAid. Yeah. KitchenAid, please. Right, go on then, mate. Show us what we're doing. What are we doing? Here's our dough.
It's a very beautiful dough.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like dough. Right, so lob bits in like this. You get this old girl. It's in the hopper. It's coming to back.
Go now.
Whoa! Rigatoni, Tony. The little belly button rings. Tomaso's back on the sauce. Cashews.
We bleaching cashews.
Cashews, 50-50.
Yeah.
With plant-based cream.
Then what's in the carbonara that distinguish a very good carbonara?
Cheese. Eggs. Bacon.
It's a spice. Yeah. What?
Pepper.
Exactly. How much?
Loads.
Exactly. Here, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, that is heavy on the pepper.
I mean.
Whoa! Hey.
Then some color.
Ah, that's it. Because
and a little sweetness.
I think I might actually need a bit of colour in my egg yolks because they're.
Do you want it?
Yeah, go on just a little bit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, easy, mate. It's not a curry. Almost made you smile, didn't I?
Then we use some kalanamak.
I thought you said calamari last time. Kala namak.
That's what I said.
Exactly.
Kalanamak.
Right.
It's a high sulfuric type of salt.
High sulfuric.
Do you want to taste it?
It's like someone shut in your mouth. It tastes like egg.
Exactly.
Yeah. Sulfur, because eggs remind people of farts. I went to the Azores and we went to the volcanic isles there, and you walk around and see all the geysers going, not geysers, like geysers, like volcanoes. It was like gusting out like all the sulfur, and it's absolutely rank.
Miso. Touch of miso.
Mate, don't be shy on the miso. Right, you're just gonna waz that. Can I carry on making my rigatoni?
Yeah, if you can.
Oh, get in there, mate. You might as well start making egg cress sandwiches for Wimbledon with that smell. That is revolting. Let me have another whiff. Oh, mate! That smells directly like a man's anus. Tomaso's tomato sauce, bubbling away. There's my Nduja, it's been sitting there for about an hour. There's Tomaso's tempeh. Proud of yourself? This is your egg mix. I mean, it was interesting to say the least. Gonna get the old bucatini going through. Here we go. So explain to the viewers what a bucatini should be. Bucatini is like a spaghetti with a hole through the middle.
Exactly, man.
Better look at that.
Do a B-roll.
B-roll, B-roll. Get your gammy hand out of the way.
It's actually the answer.
Look at that.
Do you want to cut it? Be gentle though. So, bucatini rigatoni ready?
Yeah, bucatini. Ready, chef. Let's just do, should we do bucatini?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do all of it.
No, man.
No, bro. No, bro. 50 grams. Let me flip the screen around so we can see. Okay, here's my Nduja. I'm putting mine in. I'm ready to go. How's your bumminess going with your one? Right, so my pan is now officially stone cold because I did this about 3 hours ago. But I'm just putting mine in with the Nduja, pecorino, and then I'm just going to use the old residuals of the pasta water. Oh, mate.
I'm doing exactly the same thing.
Mate, look at that.
My crispy tempeh with my eggy mixture.
Oh. So this is my one. I'd say mine looks way better. This is the thing with carbonation, isn't it? Carbonara. Use the residual cooking temperature from the agua. Don't cook it too fast. Just want a bit of this water. So I'm just going to take a little bit. This is what we always talk about, residual cooking temperatures, allowing things to gently warm up. The continual cooking of things is just going to go nice and glossy.
Actually, my one looks more like a carbonara than yours.
Yeah,
So
yours
show.
is basically like a double cream. Oh, there we go. Just going to pop mine back on the heat ever so gently.
That was very aggressive.
Look, there's my one, looking good. Here's Tomaso's one. It actually looks pretty pale.
We need to taste the tomato sauce as well.
Oh yeah. We can put the rigatoni in. Right, rigatoni going in. Yes, chef. Oh, look at that. And Nduja Carbonara. Tell you what it needs. Just a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of acid. I mean, it's totally not even a carbonara anymore, is it?
Looks good though.
Grazie bello. Mate, that bucatini. Mate, there's al dente and there's al dente.
This is a good plate of pasta.
It's not bad.
You can say it. It's very good.
It's very good. I always do feel like with vegan stuff though, there is that like, you eat it and you go, fuck, there's something missing. God, that Nduja's spicy. So this is
Look how rich.
rigatoni to Tony.
Chopped.
Mate. Oh mate, that is stunning.
As simple as it is, it's just, I mean, it's lots of oil, I know.
It's time.
It's all time. It's patience.
That's 12 out of 10.
You like it?
No mate, I can't get over how spicy that is.
Yolks.
Yeah. I'm such a wuss. I'm a korma kind of person. You give me a chicken korma. Well, look, ladies and gentlemen.
It's been fun.
It's been fun. That was 3 different dishes of pasta: bucatini, rigatoni, vegan carbonara, tomato sauce, and a Nduja Carbonara.
Follow us for more.
Ciao! Arrivederci!